Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly ahead of everyone else? Not busy, not motivated, ahead. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people aren't behind because they're lazy. They're behind because they're visible. Posting progress, explaining plans, asking for validation, but the people who actually win, they disappear. And when they return, they don't explain. They dominate. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why silence creates more power than effort, and why disappearing for 6 months can put you 10 years ahead of everyone you know. If that sounds uncomfortable, good. Because comfort is exactly what's keeping you average. Everyone wants success, but very few can handle the silence required to earn it. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. The loudest people rarely become the most powerful. Real growth happens away from attention, away from validation, away from noise. If you're ready to disappear and come back unrecognizable, welcome to ShadowsRise. Stay till the end, because most people can't handle what I'm about to say next. Part 1. Why staying visible keeps you weak. We live in a world addicted to attention, posting progress, explaining plans, seeking approval, but psychology proves this. Early validation kills long-term execution. When you tell people your goals, your brain releases dopamine, as if you already achieved them. You feel accomplished before doing the work. That's why most people stay average. They talk more than they build. Silence creates pressure. Pressure creates discipline. If this already feels uncomfortable, hit like. Discomfort is the first sign of growth. Part 2. The psychology of silent builders. Every powerful individual goes through a silent phase. No applause, no encouragement, no proof. This phase rewires your brain. You stop depending on motivation. You start depending on discipline. You stop working for approval. You start working for mastery. Psychologists call this delayed identity reinforcement, when your confidence is built internally, not socially. This is where weak egos break, and strong minds are born. Comment, silent mode, below if you're ready to stop explaining your life to people who don't live it. Part 3. What to build during the 6 months. Disappearing without a plan is escape. Disappearing with structure is transformation. Pillar 1. Physical discipline. Train your body daily. A disciplined body creates a disciplined mind. You don't need motivation, you need routine. Pillar 2. Skill stacking. Pick 1 to 2 high-value skills. Learn them deeply. Practice daily. No shortcuts. While others scroll, you compound. Pillar 3. Mental reprogramming. Cut useless content. No weak music. No mindless entertainment. Your brain becomes what you feed it. Pillar 4. Financial awareness. Track money. Learn leverage. Understand value creation. Rich people don't chase money. They solve problems. Pillar 5. Identity upgrade. You are not trying anymore. You are becoming. No announcements. No promises. Only proof. If you know someone who talks big but never executes, share this video with them. Silence might save their future. Part 4. Returning 10 years ahead. When you return, don't explain. Let results speak. Let confidence replace words. People will say, you change. Yes, that was the point. You didn't disappear to be missed. You disappeared to be rebuilt. Disappear quietly. Build relentlessly. Return unapologetically. Subscribe to ShadowsRise if you're done performing for attention and ready to build real power. This is ShadowsRise, where we rise through the shadows.